Okay, so last night I had told you that you can go ahead and create a Google folder, and that's where we're going to store a lot of your artifacts. So if you haven't done so yet, fine. If you have, great. So either way is completely fine. There is no right or wrong. I just want to walk you through it, which is why I said if you want to wait, that's okay. So you are going to want to go to this 9 block, if you will, or your Google Apps, and you will go to My Drive, and you are going to see that I have my field experience there. Okay. When last night when we were talking about it, we were talking about going here and adding a folder. I know that I already created one. So what I am going to do, I already have mine up. This is my field experience. I already have it up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it in my 200 folder that I created. Okay. I know it sounds super complicated, but alas, it is not. It is an easy process as long as you click on the right spot. So you can go file and then you can go move and then you can and go back. You can go to my drive, which is where we were, but then you can just scroll down. I know, look at all that. EED 200. It's completely there's one document in there, but we're just going to move this one in there. Okay. So now I have 2 documents in there. You are going to move all of your artifacts to this folder. So you want to make sure that you have a folder, and you want to make sure that you're uploading any of your artifacts from your field field experience or your practicum hours into that folder. And I keep using those 2 terms interchangeably only because I'm hoping that by doing so, when I start calling it practicum hours in a couple of weeks, we are all on board with what that looks like. Okay, so that's as easy as it is. So you'll make the copy when you're in Canvas, and then you will upload that copy into that folder. So I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know on April 5th if we need to go over this again.